Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put chlorine in a water tank. First, always prioritize safety by wearing protective gear like gloves and eye protection. It is crucial to understand the type of chlorine and its concentration before you begin. Also, ensure you have proper ventilation when working with any chlorine products. Taking these initial steps will help ensure a safe and effective disinfection process for your water storage system. Before adding chlorine, you must completely drain your water tank. This ensures the chlorine can effectively disinfect all surfaces. Next, accurately calculate the correct amount of chlorine needed. A common guideline is to use 1/4 cup of household bleach for every 15 gallons of water. Finally, use a reliable chlorine test kit to measure any existing chlorine levels, ensuring you achieve the desired concentration for effective disinfection. Once you have calculated the correct amount, mix the chlorine with a small quantity of water in a separate container. This dilution helps ensure even distribution. Slowly pour this diluted chlorine solution into the empty water tank, being careful to avoid splashes. You can use a clean brush or sprayer to help distribute the solution evenly across all interior surfaces, ensuring thorough contact for effective disinfection. After adding the chlorine, allow the solution to sit in the tank for at least 8 hours to ensure proper disinfection. This contact time is crucial for killing bacteria and other contaminants. For a more thorough cleaning, consider leaving it for up to 24 hours. Once the disinfection period is complete, drain the chlorinated water completely. Then, refill the tank with fresh water and flush it multiple times until no chlorine odor or taste remains, making your water safe to use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.